knockout tournament it is like in you must be knowing in Wimbledon tennis, right? Suppose you take a singles, Wimbledon is for tennis, right? So suppose in singles usually 128 players will be playing, right? And then in a match there will be only 2 people will be playing. Suppose say A will play against B, and either the result is going to be either A wins or what? If A wins, will B get another match? No. The loser is knocked out. That is what is knockout tournament. Whoever is going to lose anywhere, the tournament will be knocked out. So the losers keeps on. You are knocking out all the losers. Understood or not? So, but in a match only 2 players will play and 1 player will be knocked out, right? The question is now, okay, how many matches totally should be conducted for 128 players?
64.
Totally, to determine the champion, not the first round.
64, 32.
Finally, you need to determine a champion. Everyone is knocked out, then there will be 1 champion, right? So, first round, how many you get? 64, right? Then second round, why 64? Because you will each, 128 will be made as 64 pairs and then 64 matches will be played. Okay, so to eliminate 64 persons. In second round, this 64 will be paired 32, so 32. Third round, 16. These 32 will be paired into 16 pairs and then 16 matches. Round 4, 8, and then round 5, 4, round 6, and round 7, 1 match. This is number of match, 1 pair. In 2 matches, 2 players will win. So totally, if you are going to add all these things, until 120 and 7 you get, totally how much? But 128 is luckily a power of 2. Therefore, every time when you are going to divide, right, 128 by 2, you get 64 matches. 64 is again a power of 2, so you keep on dividing. Finally, still you get 1. But Wimbledon is conducted by a power of 2, right? Convenience. But generally, for a knockout tournament, the number could be any number. So therefore, instead of working this way and finding, so I am going to use another here, right? So 1 match played gives out what? 1 loser, correct? So 1 match is count. That means if you are going to count 1 match is being played, that means 1 person is lost. So you can count the losers. So we need not bother about who is going to play with whom. When do you determine a champion? There is nobody to play with. We can have a perception like that. There is no one to play with. This person has not lost anywhere. He has come and he wants to play with someone who has not lost like him, but there is no one. And that will happen when all the other persons other than this person has lost completely, right? Therefore, if you count 1 match, instead of that you count 1 loser, or 1 loser is equivalent to 1 match played, right? Therefore, 127 losers will tell you that the tournament is over. That means 127 matches should be played to determine the champion. So if you count this way, if I am going to give some number like 20, suppose there is a local tournament where only 20 players participate, singles, doubles, right? Then sometimes you may have to give buy and all. So no other go. But finally, how many matches should be conducted? 19. In fact, you can try for a smaller number, that is like 6. Okay, let me take 6. Then you have, say, A, B, C, D, E, F. How many matches you should get? Actually 5 for knockout. If A plays with B, C plays with D, E plays with F. So how many matches of 3? Then there are 3 winners, but all the 3 can't play in the same match. Therefore, we may have to give a bye someone. Maybe we can. What it means, the winner of this match C, D, the winner of E, F will play, right? and this winner and this winner plays. It's over. So this is one match. This is second. This one is, or you change the bye for somebody to, instead of these two playing, take these two. This may get a bye. Anyway, you will be getting only. The reason is simple. You can change the fixture, but one match played is always going to make one count of a loser. So out of 6, if all 5 loses, then 5 matches should be played, because at a match only one player will lose. Understood or not? So this is what we call it as mapping technique.